Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display container widget column on specific or multiple web browser in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our container layout. So this is our column or container. So we are going to display this container or column on multiple or single web browser according to our requirement. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write dynamic visibility for Elementor. So this is plugin dynamic visibility for Elementor we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to Elementor page and refresh the page. After that now you see edit container, so click on it and then you see more option. So this is a new option, visibility, so click on it. Now you see dynamic visibility, enable this option. Now yes, and then you see display mode. Now select show and then you see trigger, you see multiple option. Now remove first all. Now click on it. Now select device and browser option, so click on it. Now you see device and browser, so expand it and then you see browser. Now click on it. Now you see Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer. You see multiple option. Now select Google Chrome. Again click on it, Internet Explorer, Firefox. So you can select web browser according to requirement. So in this web browser our container display, other on hide, and then click on update. Now update done. Now go to Elementor page and refresh the page. So we are in Google Chrome web browser and then scroll down, you see container exists. Now go to another browser. So we don't select Microsoft Edge. Now refresh the page and then scroll down. You don't see this column on Microsoft Edge because we don't selected this browser. Now back to Elementor page. So you can display any section, container, column on multiple web browser according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.